Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin in System Settings, open the Apple menu, then choose System Settings. Once there, go straight to Accessibility, then Display. You're doing this to access system-wide text and display controls that affect many apps. First actionable step, adjust the text size slider. In many Mac OS versions, this changes UI scale. Make sure to watch the preview area so you see how larger text impacts layout. If text still feels small, proceed to the next set of controls to scale interfaces and apps. Once done with accessibility, open Displays in System Settings. Choose Resolution and pick Scaled. Selecting a larger option increases UI element sizes across the system. You can also change individual app text. In web browsers, use Command+ to zoom pages, and in Mail or Notes, adjust view text size. For apps that ignore scaling, try using Accessibility Zoom to magnify parts of the screen. This preserves layout while enlarging readable areas. Make sure to log out or restart if some apps don't update immediately. To finish, review every app and confirm text is legible. Where it isn't, tweak per app zoom or font settings. If some elements look off, restart your MacBook Air. This forces system-wide refresh. If layout breaks after scaling, return to Displays and pick a less aggressive scaling or reset display settings to default. One key troubleshooting tip: enable Accessibility Zoom as a temporary fix while you adjust settings. It's immediate and doesn't permanently change app layouts, so you can read small text right away.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.